Right here we have the Holystone HS175D. This is a quadcopter drone from Holystone, which has become one of the most reputable companies for these little guys. So this guy can record in 4K. It has features like auto return, follow me, circle fly. It comes with two batteries right here on the bottom. So two of these guys, and they both batteries can give you up to 46 minutes of flight time. And just to show you a little bit more of what comes with it, it comes in this nice, very nice case, padded, brings the extra battery. You got your charger here, is micro USB, and this is the controller. So you got the sticks right here on the bottom that pop out for you to go ahead and have a better hold. And right here, you can connect your phone with this little swivel here. So this is some of the features, return home, it takes off by itself. So very nicely built. Couple of different options here for video and pictures, and for going up and down. And back here you have the antenna that you can flip up. So solid. It has a couple of different options here, or things that come with it. So this is the charger for the battery, and it actually comes with two of those, so you don't have to wait and charge one battery at a time. So like pretty much all these drones, it brings extra blades in case you mess them up with extra screws. So yeah, very solid option for if you're trying to get into the drone scene right now. It's very hot. So this guy with the 4K video resolution is a must have.